Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now, students, are you ready for the rhyme?
Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Wave your hand, wave your hand. Listen to the music and wave your hand. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Wave your hand, wave your hand. Listen to the music and wave your hand.
Now, students, look at this. Which sound is this? It's a k sound. Which sound is this? K. Repeat with me. K. Which sound is this? K. Which sound is this? K. Very nice. Again, say with me. Which sound is this? K. Which sound is this? K. Do it in the air. Make k. K. Yes. Which sound is this? Make it in the air. K. K. Yes. Very nice. K for kick. K for kick. Yummy, yummy cake. You like the cake? Yes, I also like cake very much. K, kick. K is for kick. Look at this. So sweet. Cat. Cat. Say with me. Cat. Cat says meow, meow. Cat says meow, meow. Cat. Now look at this. What is this? Yes, it's a carrot. Carrot is a vegetable. Carrot. Carrot. Say with me. Carrot. Very good. Now look at this. Car. Now look at this. What is this? Clock. Very good. What is this? Clock. K is for clock. K is for clock. So yummy. Yes. What is this? Corn. Yes. Corn. You like to eat corn? Don't you like to eat corn? Yes. Corn. corn. We like to eat corn in summer season. Yes? Yes, we have to eat corn in the summer season. Yes. Corn. Now look at this. Candle. Candle. Say with me. Candle. Oh, so sweet. Yes, it's a baby. Now look at this. What she's wearing. Cap. She is wearing a cap. Say with me. Cap.